Hi guys and welcome. My name is Francis Wahiga. I was part of a four-member team whereby we were working to develop an e-commerce platform by the name Shophive as our ALX portfolio project. The purpose or the aim of this project was to have a modern e-commerce platform that was or is able to provide a shopping experience by integrating key features like user authentication, product management, order tracking, and a user-friendly shopping cart. We were looking to fill the gaps that we had identified in user experience, product discovery, and order tracking. We were aiming to do all that by having that customer-first approach in our development. As I said, we were a team of four members. Sodiq was handling user authentication and authorization. Charis was implementing the order management system. Ayomide was designing and implementing the front end, as well as working on the shopping cart system, while I was in charge of developing the product management system. We discussed and settled on working with the following architecture and technologies. For the front end, we built it with HTML and CSS. For the back end, we settled to work with Flask framework. For the database, we were working with SQLite for relational data, with SQL Alchemy as OLM. For authentication, we were working with Flask JWT extended for secure user. And for containerization, we were using Docker to have that consistent development and deployment. Here is our development process. We started with brainstorming, whereby we were discussing and able to examine multiple ideas and settled to work on an e-commerce platform because of its potential to fill the gaps in the marketplace. We then moved forward to the planning phase, whereby we were able to settle on working on several features, that is user authentication, product catalog, order tracking, and a shopping cart. We then moved forward to the execution phase, whereby each team member worked on their assigned tasks with regular check-in for alignment. We were able to attain several successes. First of all, we were able to meet and deliver the minimum viable product by implementing key features. We are also able to overcome challenges through collaboration, motivating one another, and also supporting one another. We are also able to gain valuable technical and collaborative experience. We faced several challenges as a team. At the onset, there was ubiquity in features required to be developed. Then there was the issue of personal work and academic commitment colliding with the project commitments. And there was the issue of unplanned events that could come and disrupt the timelines of the project. Here are the next steps that we aim to work on in the future. The first one is to add features whereby we can integrate payment system and real-time chat for customer support. We also aim to improve response time and scalability. And we also want to test and fix bugs by performing rigorous testing and eliminating the bugs and edge cases. And of course, the last and the most important is launching the app for public use. In conclusion, I would say that building Shophive has been both a challenge and a rewarding journey. You were able to learn the importance of planning, collaboration, and perseverance in software development. And we were able to develop the vision that this will not be the end, that Shophive is just the beginning. And we aim to provide a top-tier e-commerce platform that sets a new standard for online shopping. I'll then go further to show the key features that we developed in action. Once the homepage is loaded, a user is able to either register as a buyer or a seller. So I'm looking to create an account as a seller. When the account is created as a seller, I can be able to add a product to the database. Yes. Here is the product that I added. Let's now make an account for a buyer. We'll make an account for a buyer. Once the account is created and the buyer is able to log in, they can be able to pick from various products and add them to cart.